Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. After a long break, we are back now with a delicious, easy to make sweet dish. All of the ingredients are readily available in our homes, so let's get started. 3 cups wheat flour, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon yeast, and warm water are the ingredients. Add the sugar and warm water to the yeast and mix them well. To the wheat flour, add a pinch of salt and our previous mixer. Then properly beat them. If you don't have a machine, it's okay, you can use a whisk instead, until it becomes a liquid dough as shown in the video. However, avoid getting the water type. Fill a large fry pan halfway with oil and heat it. Then little by little, shape the liquid dough into round shapes and fry until golden. Then put in a bowl. After a while, pour the condensed milk through the Luqaimat and sprinkle with sesame seed on the top. See, our delicious sweet is ready. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment. Have a good day.